nice place though. Nice place.
That's my only sister.
Mm.
Very, very dear to me.
But I never heard about her. I never knew her.
Yeah.
Okay, we didn't discuss about those issues.
She's just a workaholic woman. Business minded woman.
Mm.
Here she comes.
Oh, come here. So you are here.
You work.
Oh, goodness.
You look very stressed. It's not easy. Businesswoman.
Hello.
Hi.
From the office. That's it.
Yeah.
That's my sister.
Okay. Okay. Hello.
That's my sister. And that's Uncle.
Yeah.
That's my friend. He just came from the village to this place. He's coming to stay with me for some time. Yeah. That is so.
Wow. So, for how long have you known him?
Oh, I know him. It was just this last 3 years he left me.
Okay.
He left me last 3 years. He was very close to me.
I went to do some remedial work with some school in a village. So I was actually gathering money for further my education. And by the grace of God, now it's in. So that's it.
Nice.
So he's going to stay with me for a long time. I will call it a long time. So it means we have to get him something to do with his hand. At my side, the company is all I don't know at your side.